Alright, today we got a box in the mail. This came all the way from Australia. Right there's Jay's models. This is a group of 3 New Holland models. Got this off of eBay. And it's a pretty good deal and some pretty good models. I like these New Holland models. I think they're pretty good. Like I said, it's a pretty good deal, so picked it up. Never gotten anything from Australia. I sent stuff to Australia quite a few times. One time I even sent something to a I don't remember where it was. I think it was like maybe Tennessee. A guy from Australia had actually bought a like a travel trailer, like a RV kind of deal, and instead of shipping what he bought for me to Australia for, you know, $30, $40, $50, I sent it to the RV place and they put it inside of his trailer, and then the trailer got shipped to Australia, which I thought was pretty slick. That's a good way to save on a little bit of shipping there. Alright, so we got the telehandler here, which I like. I think it's a really good model, and a backhoe, which is pretty interesting. I've been wanting to get hands on one of these for a while. Seems like the tires are a little too big. We'll take a look at that later. And then last, another rubber tire excavator. This is a pretty nice model too. All these are pretty interesting. So anyway, that's all I got. There's a couple newspaper clippings in there. Might be kind of interesting to take a look at those. I'll check those out later. Anyway, that's it. That's what was in the box. Thanks for watching.